Hey guys, welcome to the table. We have a beautiful RYOBI glue gun tool. It's a battery operated. I've had before glue guns. Not that I'm crafty on the per se crafts, but I like when I repair things. And I've had them all with cable, wired, so I couldn't really take them where I needed or I had to add an inverter. This RYOBI made it possible for me to do a lot of repairs that might be in another room or outside, and let me tell you, I've tried it for quite a few months now, and it's been amazing. I've done it with a 4-amp battery. You can do it with a 2.5 amp. It will work the same, and today we're just gonna talk about it in brief review of this RYOBI. It works with the 1+ 18-volt batteries, which are readily accessible and available on every Home Depot, I think, and other stores online. And no, I'm not sponsored by RYOBI, even though I wish so, but it's not. It just didn't happen. So I already loaded one of the sticks inside here, and we'll try to stick something. And it goes as such, as you see. It stays where you leave it, and, well, let's see what it takes to heat this gun to the point that we can actually glue something. And right here on my other side, I have a timer from the time I turn on the button to the time that we see some glue coming out right there. As you see right now, it's cold, and it's cold to the touch, so it's not preheated. And flip the switch on and turn the timer on. As you see, the light is on, and let's see how long it takes for this RYOBI to heat up and be ready for work. Okay, around 2 minutes and 38 seconds, and let me prove that it's actually working. As you see, the gooey stuff is coming out. And the little LED light is on. It's red, actually. Let me turn the light off. It's built by a really beautiful handle. It's some kind of grippy rubber. And it has some protective rubber here at the head. Which is, it gets warm, but not warm, hot enough to burn you. It's some kind of rubbery thing, similar to those rubbers that you use on the ovens in the kitchen. And here's the tip of it, if I can make it right here. And this is the body. That's how you load just regular sticks. Nothing fancy. These are not sticks that came with it. I bought them from Harbor Freight. And let's see, for example, I'll have to undo it later. But for now, just to show you guys, I'm going to try to stick this lamp to this base here. Is just a coaster, and let me put this here. Okay, so you guys can see it. Let's see what it takes for it to do that. We insert another stick because I had finished that one before, and here it is. I'm not a pro on this, so don't look at me for tutorials on how to use a glue gun. It works, and I know how to work with it for what I need and quick small things. I'm not really the best on doing this, as you see here. I butchered this one, but that's how I would do it for myself, obviously. Not for commercial use, not for clients, which I don't have any. So, yeah, we have now a lamp sticking to an upside-down coaster. If a review doesn't include you doing this, you're not doing a review. You're doing it all wrong. So you should always stick a lamp in a coaster. That's the new standard now for reviews. And if any of you are a contractor there and have RYOBI tools, hi. Actually, I love RYOBI, so don't look at me with that eye that, oh, maybe he doesn't know what he's doing. Maybe that might be the case, but when it comes to RYOBI, I don't know. I don't know why RYOBI doesn't make underwear. Probably they'd be RYOBI too on my body. So, What do I think about this RYOBI? I think it's fantastic, especially if you're a crafty person that does crafts and that kind of stuff. Or if you're just using in repairs in general, like I do sometimes to seal. For example, when I do this kind of butchering here, like I salvaged one of these USB drives, and on the back here, it just has some of this goop on it. I don't suggest you try this at home because sometimes you can risk damaging the device. I do this, as you see right here on camera, to seal it for kind of water and dust proof. It doesn't exactly guarantee any of the results I just mentioned, but in at least my mind, it works. And it's been working for years, so I have no reason to believe otherwise. And it doesn't look good, but I usually put it on. Then I go later with a blade and cut it to the shape that I like. And it's been working. It doesn't look very beautiful or appealing, but I'm not going for that. So for my needs, this RYOBI glue gun rocks. And I'm not going to give a price on it, how much it is at this moment, because I got it when they had some tool deals going on that I got. I think it was 2 or 3 tools with a few batteries and all that for a couple $100 or something that was going on. I think I don't know how long ago actually, but I haven't used it until 2 or 3 weeks ago that I really needed one of these, and it did the job. And yes, it was actually a small repair on a gasket on the car that I just needed to seal it just for weather, and it did the job. So for my purposes, it did it. And it did it better than the other one that I have, a big bulky one that's with a cable. I gotta say, the other one heats up within less than a minute. Guaranteed less than a minute. But this one, don't forget, you can throw it on your tool bag and have it with you everywhere you go if you need to do so. And here on the back, the model is RYOBI P305 glue gun 18 volts, as you see right here, and the rest are all that other stuff that you can read for yourself. You can pause the video to get the serial code or whatever. And yes, this is the tool. And in my opinion, it's worth every single penny that I paid for it. Every single penny. And as you see, our lamp is ready and steady. Now, if I was somebody that wants to leave this lamp here, I would cut this part here and make it clean and would have probably applied the glue in a more careful manner. But as for now, I am pleased with it. Practically, it did it. And to me, practicality is what counts and matters. So just to give you one of those examples that, yeah, you can make things. You can make things, and right now I can use this. If I was a streamer or gamer, put this in front of me here and have a nice light for my camera, put my selfie camera, whatever this thing is, in front of me and start streaming and have a happy life. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please hit like and subscribe if it doesn't bother you that much. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and thank you for taking your time to click on this video, and see you next time. Bye!